Today we got episode 9 of the 7-minute haircut tutorials. Pretty sure this one's under 7 minutes or just over. So yeah, the point of this series is to get you as much information in little amount of time. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Let's get started. So this is the before, guys. I'm doing a pompadour with mid-fade blended. So go ahead and take that center strip from the middle and then use it for the one side as a guideline. Like that. Keeping it boxy still, straight from the ground. And then take the center strip again and then put it to the other side now to use as guideline for that side. Let me know if you guys are liking these tutorials. This is the episode 9. If you haven't checked out the other ones, go to my channel and check them out. So go ahead and use your clip over comb. I section off the V, the fringe area, because this is a blended undercut, or this is a blended pompadour. So I blended the back hairs already, so I don't have to do it later on. A lot of barbers do an undercut first and then blend the back afterwards, but this way you're saving time by just cutting into those hairs already. So whatever I'm doing on this side, I'm pretty much doing on the other, so you guys don't really need to see the other side. Lever open and then lever close underneath it. Now the only thing I need to do now is the lever open into the 1.5. I'm just connecting those with my 0.5, and then if I need to, I'll use my 1 guard to just blend it better right here. Main focus is to get that shape nice. And then I'm just doing detailing with my 0.5 again, and then go ahead and bald out the bottom using your trimmers, and then right underneath it with the shavers as well. So as you can see, I kind of faded up and then down. I like this method a lot. This is pretty much what I use for most of the haircut tutorials, but pretty much you can use it for different textures, different hairstyles. This one is just sectioned off differently. So yeah, now, so your fringe area is disconnected from the back. So now we're gonna go ahead and connect it a little bit. Take sections from the back and also the front. So you're connecting the two lengths, making sure that the front hairs are the longest area. So it's a diagonal front, getting longer from the front to the back, longer to short.
I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, baby's yellow text.
I just did that for both sides, but yeah, it's the same steps. If the hairs don't reach, you don't have to cut them. And then go ahead and blow dry it all dry like this. When you feel it, it shouldn't be cold, it should be pretty warm. That's when you know you're done. And then go ahead and texturize now using point cutting. Pretty much do the whole head. I like to start off with the fringe and then work myself back. Just taking sections pretty much the same as you did with cutting the top. Alright, now after you texturize, go ahead and use your styling products to style it. I use laterite clay for this one. I actually recorded this back in May, guys. The shop was empty. We were allowed to open back up, but not a lot of us went back right away. That's why the shop is kind of empty. But this is the finished product. I think that was my first time cutting his hair, and it's only getting better from there. So if you guys like that, check out more tutorials in my bio, and also check out my full barbering course down below if you're interested in becoming a barber full-time. So yeah, see you on the next one.